Welcome to our video on the fascinating element, helium. Helium is the second lightest and second most abundant element in the universe. Its unique properties make it incredibly useful in a variety of applications. One of the most well-known uses of helium is in filling balloons due to its lightness and non-flammability. But helium has many more important uses beyond parties and celebrations. It is used in cryogenics to cool superconducting magnets in MRI machines and particle accelerators. Helium is also crucial in the aerospace industry for pressurizing fuel tanks and purging systems. In addition, helium is used in diving gas mixtures to reduce the risk of decompression sickness. Despite its abundance in the universe, helium is actually quite rare on Earth. Once released into the atmosphere, helium can escape into space, making it difficult to capture and store. As a result, efforts are being made to conserve this valuable resource for future generations. Thanks for watching this video on the wonders of helium. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Generated using utools, https://play.google.com. Store, apps, details, it equals com, utools, co.